Yo, what's going on, everybody? It's the Megalodon or the Meg here, and we're here today for another episode of the Extra Planets mod guide. I'm sorry it took a little bit, but there were a few issues I need to deal with myself anyway. So, we are here on Ceres. Now, I'm not going to show me riding into the rocket. I think I mentioned that Mercury is because, it kind of gets repetitive after a while. It's just riding on a rocket, blasting it for ages, then going back down, selecting the all that stuff. So, basically, you still want the Tier 2 spacesuits, as well as the Tier 4 thermal padding. I think Tier 3 works as well, but 4 is just better. You can see over there, there's the Sun, there's Mars to the right. I'm also lagging, but that's hopefully not an issue. Yeah, there's not a lot of stuff on Ceres. This is all basically everything that's worth it to get. First of all, there's uranium. You can see the ore right here. There's also uranium in industrial craft. You've got that in the mod pack. I do. So there's going to be 2 types of uranium. Ceres uranium is compatible with that one as well. So technically you can make some of this stuff before you come to Ceres, or leave Earth even, if you have industrial craft. But in case you don't, you get uranium on Ceres. There's uranium ingots. And there are 2 buckets there are 2 liquids that you can get on Ceres that are both very, very valuable. I'll tell you why once we get to Saturn. First of all, there's the radioactive water bucket, which is water. Get lots of this. You can get Europa, Neptune. Then Europa is one of Jupiter's moons, and Neptune, well, I hope everyone knows what Neptune is. And next is the liquid crystallized water bucket, just like this. And you can get this on Ceres, Europa, and Callisto. Now, Europa and Callisto are once again both Jupiter. So once again, Ceres is probably your best bet since most of the Jupiter's moons aren't that useful. Now, Callisto is an exception, and I'll show you why when we get there. And finally, there's one machine we can make with uranium. Now, you can also make nuclear bombs and fire bombs, but honestly, I don't think that's really relevant for progression. So there's just this one thing. It's called a chemical injector. And once again, it's going to be very, very crucial in the future planets that you go to. Just make like this, 3 pistons and 6 uranium ingots. And you can get a chemical injector for yourself. Now, you can also make uranium weaponry, uranium armor, but in all honesty, that's not really, that good. And it is a pretty rare metal, so I wouldn't recommend making weapons or armor with it. As you can see in my previous episodes, the extra weapons, they break really quickly. So yeah, it's not really the best either way. I believe that is all for Ceres. So once again, I don't really count this as like a full episode in the series, I guess. It's kind of like a sub episode. Ceres is not really a planet. It used to be when everything that circled the sun is a planet. Well, yeah, so since it's not a planet, I don't think it should count as an episode. Now I think about it, the asteroids are mingling with Venus, yeah. Now I think about it, the moon's not really a planet anyway, but we'll just like that slide. Anyway, yeah, for long enough. Thank you everybody for watching this episode. If you enjoyed this episode, please do like. See you next time on Jupiter's moons. Bye everyone.